We just completed the financial bird's eye view mini workshop, Somatic Money, just a little while ago. And like, oh my God. So you know what's going on, guys? Like, I write up these PDFs, you know, very Virgo, very logical, very like really trying to, you know, dial it in. And then Spirit Realm shows up and they're like, we're going to come at it from like all these different doorways and show all these different aspects. And we're going to channel that to you. And like, and it happened again this morning. So I'm like, I'm all ready to just kind of start moving through the PDF and talking about it. I was like, You know who showed up? Lord Melchizedek showed up. So he does a lot of money work. And then Metatron showed up to talk about magnetics with money, magnetics and water with money. Oh my God, do I have some stuff for you there. And then at the end of it, Merlin made a cameo. So here's what you need to know is that when you purchase this financial bird's eye view about somatic money, it's primarily, this is about the process of how somatic money works. But the thing about the feminine with processes, there's so many different gateways. And that's what Merlin and Lord Melchizedek and Metatron, they brought in, they basically like, I know this works so well. And they had me bring through fresh new ideas, like had me remember some things that I've done in the past that I've forgotten, but also brought in fresh new connections. And it was so rich. And so it just makes money so much more available to people in a way that has not been imagined before. Okay. And so we did that here this morning in a mini workshop. Like I had people saying like, oh my God, like I've got like 4 little mini workshops to go work off of this mini workshop. You know, it's kind of got that energy to it. So it's going to edit out to about an hour. The PDF is 16 pages, but I tell you what, for the value of what I'm charging, so like it's 20, you can still get it for $24.99. It is part of the Somatic Money Super Bundle program. This segment that I'm releasing is only going to be available for about a week because usually it's just I've got it packaged up and it's not available. But because I did the workshop, I want to make it available for you. So if you get this, you literally are going to be able to mini workshop about 4 or 5 different aspects of your money just out of this. Just out of this. I had people saying like, oh my God, I hadn't thought about that. And like, oh my God, you're speaking my language. And, you know, oh my God, you just put it in a perspective that just, it makes my money just that much more available to me. So that's what I want you guys to know about this. The money work that I'm doing with Somatic Money, I don't see it happening anywhere else on the planet. I mean, we've got our manifestation stuff and our gratitude stuff and our abundance stuff and our law of attraction stuff. And like, we've got all of that, but that's very general. It's very general. And I'm doing some very specific, creative, warm, rich, wealthy, energetically kind of things to really like, you know, unlock your money relationship for you in a way that you had not even imagined before. And I'm just so excited about it. Like, I know most of you out there, you just see me doing the intuitive thing and the psychic thing, and like, and I'm happy to do that. Like, I'm totally on board with all of this, but like, this is my wheelhouse, people. And if you show up for it, you are going to get so much more than what you imagined is going on inside of your money relationship. I'm literally going to help you unlock the feminine of your money relationship while we have been so bludgeoned with the masculine of our money relationship. Can you imagine turning that around for yourself? Like the flip-flop, you know, letting go of some of that hardcore masculine stuff and really engaging more of the feminine, very defined, articulate, creative, brand new kinds of ways that maybe you hadn't even imagined before. So that's what I've got for you in this whole brand new bird's eye financial view with Somatic Money. I'll have it available for you, like I said, for about a week, 10 days, $24.99. You get the 16-page PDF, and then you'll get it's about an hour-long video and at least 3 or 4 little mini workshops in it to help you unlock aspects of your money relationship that you probably didn't even know were there. All right, so that's what I've got for you. Definitely keep walking forward to meet those money miracles along the way, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.